This one is a mystery tunnel. We don't know where this one goes, we don't know who did it, and we don't know why. Rick and Marty Lagina's treasure hunt on Oak Island just took an unexpected turn, meaning there could be some actual treasure just below us, and we're going to find that out this year. This time, with a dazzling discovery, a mysterious diamond-like artifact has surfaced, sparking speculation about its origins and possible ties to hidden wealth. Could this be the breakthrough that finally unlocks Oak Island's secrets? A diamond unearthed on Oak Island. For over a decade, the curse of Oak Island has kept fans on the edge of their seats, unraveling one mystery after another in their relentless search for lost treasure. This season, Rick and Marty Lagina make one of their most shocking discoveries yet, a diamond-like jewel buried beneath Lot 5. But the real bombshell came when metal-detecting expert Gary Drayton swept his detector over the soil and uncovered the glittering object. Could this be the breakthrough they've been waiting for? The Lagina brothers have seen their fair share of astonishing discoveries, but nothing could have prepared them for this, an actual diamond-like jewel buried deep in Lot 5. As the team carefully unearthed the glittering artifact, excitement erupted across the dig site. Was this the first real treasure ever recovered from Oak Island? Or was it another cryptic clue left behind by those who once walked these grounds centuries ago? Experts wasted no time analyzing the stunning find. Early assessments confirmed that this was no ordinary stone. The high-content paste jewel, dating back to the 18th century, pointed toward a possible connection to French aristocracy. Could this be linked to Duke d'Anvilles's ill-fated expedition in 1746? His fleet was said to be carrying immense wealth, but history tells us much of it never reached its intended destination. Did some of that fortune find its way to Oak Island? Adding to the mystery, the jewel was discovered near an enigmatic circular foundation, a structure unlike anything the team had encountered before. Was this the site of an elite secret hideout where valuables were stashed away from prying eyes? Or could it have been part of an underground smuggling network where treasures were moved under the cover of darkness? The possibilities are endless. As the Laginas and their crew piece together the evidence, one thing becomes clear: Lot 5 holds more secrets than anyone ever imagined. With advanced scans revealing even more anomalies beneath the surface, the hunt is far from over. What other hidden riches or historical relics might be waiting just beneath the soil? The deeper they dig, the closer they get to unlocking Oak Island's greatest secret, and this diamond may be the key to it all. With the discovery of the diamond-like jewel on Lot 5 sending shockwaves through the team, the Lagina brothers set their sights on an even bigger breakthrough: the legendary money pit. For years, treasure hunters have speculated that a vast trove of riches lies buried deep within this enigmatic shaft. And now, with massive steel caissons in place, the team is pushing further than ever before. But the journey has been anything but smooth. The team faced unexpected obstacles as the enormous steel caisson, true believer, battled through dense layers of wood and metal debris, threatening to stall the excavation. Each setback tested their equipment and resolve, yet they refused to back down, determined to uncover the island's deepest secrets. Excitement reaches a fever pitch when they strike a massive wooden structure at 87 feet. Could this be the long-lost chapel vault, the elusive chamber believed to contain untold treasures? The evidence is compelling. An ancient iron spike embedded in the timber suggests this structure predates modern excavations. It could be proof that early searches or even original depositors left something of great value behind. Theories about the money pit have always pointed to a treasure vault at 153 feet, reported by past searchers who mysteriously lost access to it. Now, as the Laginas inch closer, could they be on the right path? Every drill turn brings new clues, including fragments of old tools and materials, traces of an effort that may have taken place centuries ago. But what if they're not the first ones to reach this point? Could someone have already removed the treasure, leaving behind only these cryptic remains? Or is the ultimate prize still hidden just beyond their reach? As the soil yields more and more secrets, the team knows they are closer than ever to unraveling Oak Island's greatest mystery. If they can finally breach the vault, will they find legendary riches or yet another trap designed to keep the island's secrets buried forever? With the excitement at the money pit still buzzing, the team refocuses on Lot 5, an area that refuses to stop revealing secrets. This time, archaeologist Fiona Steele and her assistant Todd Langth uncover a small ancient hinge, possibly from an old treasure chest. The hinge's design and corrosion pattern suggest it could be centuries old, fueling theories that something valuable was once hidden here. Could this be a long-forgotten artifact from a secret hoard? Adding to the intrigue, metal detecting scans reveal underground anomalies, suggesting additional artifacts or even hidden tunnels yet to be uncovered. If this was a covert storage site, who used it? Was it French explorers, Templar knights, pirates, and if so, what were they hiding? The presence of high-status items including jewels and unique metallic objects strengthens the theory that powerful figures once operated here. The team knows Lot 5 is becoming one of the most compelling locations in the entire search. Could this site be hiding even more artifacts, or possibly a long-buried vault? With every discovery, the evidence grows. Was Lot 5 the true heart of the Oak Island mystery all along? As the team continues making discoveries on Lot 5, their attention shifts to the northern swamp, where a man-made wooden structure has been unearthed. The swamp has always been a puzzling location, revealing unusual finds like stone pathways and hidden formations. Now, this newly uncovered structure raises questions about who built it and why. Geoscientist Dr. Ian Spooner examines the site and suggests it was carefully designed, possibly to help move something valuable across the island. His findings indicate anomalies beneath the swamp floor, hinting at more structures or hidden passageways waiting to be explored. Determined to speed up their search, the Lagina brothers and their team bring in a high-tech wash plant near Smith's Cove. This cutting-edge machine is designed to process enormous amounts of soil, filtering through layers of dirt, rock, and debris to uncover anything that could have been buried centuries ago. Soon, historic items start appearing: wooden fragments, iron tools, and unidentifiable metallic pieces. These finds suggest that past excavation efforts may have unearthed something important, or perhaps they are remnants of an earlier secret construction project. With a high-tech wash plant uncovering fragments of history at Smith's Cove, the team's focus shifts back to the land, where a single artifact could change everything. A routine dig on Lot 1 takes an unexpected turn when the team unearths a strange iron spike. Blacksmithing expert Carmen analyzes the relic, dating it back to the early to mid-1700s. This time frame aligns with some of Oak Island's most compelling theories, raising new questions about the island's secret past. Could this iron spike have played a role in concealing something far greater? Experts believe it may have been used to maneuver massive boulders, possibly to seal off an underground passage. With the discovery of a possible hidden tunnel network beneath Lot 1, the Laginas note they are closer than ever to uncovering Oak Island's secrets. Each find, from the iron spike to the mysterious diamond-like jewel, paints a picture of a past filled with wealth, secrecy, and elite involvement. But if these are just scattered remnants, what might still be buried beneath the island's shifting sands? Determined to leave no stone unturned, the team presses forward with their most ambitious efforts yet. Could their greatest breakthrough be just around the corner, hidden beneath one final layer of history? Rick and Marty Lagina's diamond discovery has sent shockwaves through the Oak Island mystery. Is this the ultimate clue to a long-lost treasure, or just another twist in the centuries-old legend? Only time will tell. Like, comment, and subscribe for more updates.